Welcome to the Moorhead Titan Outlet Store. In today's video, we are demonstrating a 2011 Case IH STX385 with 1,082 hours. This quad track features a 16-speed power shift transmission and cold weather package, along with 6 rear remotes and a high-capacity pump. The tires are 710/70 R42 duals with 75% rubber. The cab is equipped with beacon lights and electric mirrors. Thank you for viewing this Case IH STX385. Interested in this quad track? Give our sales staff a call at 877-886-7010. Interested in viewing more equipment? Go online to TitanOutletStore.com. Titan Outlet Store. Guaranteed iron at a guaranteed steel.